Okay, Poppy, come on. Come on. Sit. Oh. Sit. Good girl. Okay. Sit. Nope. Sit. No. Sit. Good. Okay. Let's break these in little pieces. Back up. Sit. No. Sit. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Okay. Come on. Come right here. No, that's cheating. Come on. Look. Sit. Good. Okay. Come on. Sit. Okay. Okay. Good girl. Sit. Good. Okay. Let's try it again. Sit. Okay. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, that's a smart girl. Very smart. Sit. Good. Okay. We're going to try down for the very first time. Ready? No? The goal is that she lays down and we name it. And once she does that a few times, then we can start calling the command and her delivering the skill. It's the way we teach puppies, is to give us the position first, and we give that position a name. Look what I have in there. Here. Good girl. Sit. Down. Yay. Okay. Good girl. Not bad for your first time. That's a good girl. Okay. Try again. Sit. That's it. Come on. Good girl. Sit. Helps to keep the butt on the ground. Down. Okay, good girl. Very good, Poppy. Good girl. Sit. I don't want to repeat any command until she gives me one. That's a good girl. Down. Good. Okay. We're going to do it one more time. You're very smart. Very smart. Come on. Right here. Look. Come on. Sit. Good. No, sit. Good. Ready? Here we go.